Okay, now start with evidences for evolution. Evidences for evolution come from paleontology, embryology, comparative anatomy and morphology, molecular homology and biogeography. So let's start with paleontology. What is paleontology? It is a study of fossil, okay, found in rocks to support organic evolution. लुक बेटा, अभी कुछ सेकंड पहले ही आपको मैंने ऑर्गेनिक एवोल्यूशन के सारे टाइप्स बताए हैं, है ना. स्टडी ऑफ फॉसिल्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट सेडिमेंट्री लेयर्स इंडिकेट्स. सो व्हाट वी आर नोइंग और व्हाट वी आर विच टाइप ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन वी आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम these type of fossils. So the first one is the geological time period in which the organism existed. वो समय पता चलता है जिस समय वो ऑर्गेनिज्म पाया जाता होगा. The life forms varied over time and certain life forms are restricted to certain geological lifespan. The new form of life that have appeared at different times in the history of Earth. So these are some points which shows that which type of information we are getting from the fossil. So as you are seeing here the paleontologist just try to find out in this picture, they just try to find out the some fossils, and these are the pictures of some fossils. As you are seeing, it is the wonderful picture of a fossil of a butterfly, and this one is also, these are the some traces of, so very good picture it is actually. Okay, now let's move to the next one is the embryology. So it is the study based upon the observation of certain common features during embryonic stages of all vertebrates. Ernest Haeckel proposed biogenic law which states that ontogeny recapitulates phylogeny. That means developmental or embryological stages of organisms recapitulates their evolutionary history. Okay, what it means? It means that ontology recapitulates phylogeny. It means what? That these development stages, or we can say after seeing this embryological development stages, we can easily understood the evolutionary history of any organisms. Now vertebrates embryos show similarities, which are all vertebrate embryos develop a row of gill slits, but they are functional only in fish and not found in any other vertebrates. Okay, and notochord is present in all vertebrates embryos. So these are some evidences of embryology, but this proposal was disapproved by Ernest von Baer. He noted that embryos never pass through the adult stage of other animals. Okay, सो व्हाट ही सेड कि देयर मतलब ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होता है कि जैसा एक ऑर्गेनिज्म का एम्ब्रियो डेवलपमेंट है वैसा ही सारे ऑर्गेनिजम्स का होगा. As you are seeing here, look, this is the embryo of fish. This one is the embryo of the first one is the embryo of fish. Second one is the embryo of reptile. The third picture is of bird embryo, and fourth one is of the embryo of a human. So what common structure they selected from here? That is the tail. As you are seeing, the last one here. Okay, so this is what tail of fish, and here the coiled structure, and yes, and this is of reptile, and here bird and human. Okay, here as you are seeing here, gill slits here in both, here where in the fish, here is in the reptile, and here in bird, and here in human. So you know the respiratory organ of all this fish, reptiles, bird and human.